Today, I will speak about an interesting concept in JavaScript. It's called callback hell. I'm sure most of you heard about it, okay? First, before I explain you what is a callback hell, let me explain you what is a callback first. Callback function, okay? Let's create a function called say hello. And just a simple function at first. Now, in a function, if a function needs some data from the outside, we give that function those data as a parameter. And I'm sure maybe you are familiar with the string. Yeah, that the function might need a string or might need an array or a number. So in this case, of course, it is obvious that we will need a name. So it's going to receive a name parameter like so. But in JavaScript, we can a function can receive another function as a parameter. And a callback is a function that can be executed in another function's body. Okay. And this function is going to receive now a second parameter, and I name it callback. And this callback is another function which will be called in that say hello function's body, like so. Okay. Now, this is a callback function. In the function definition, I just give a general placeholder name as a parameter name to that function. And I'm just defining at the moment. And it will also console.log, the function also console.log the name. Okay. Now, let's define another function. And that function is going to be goodbye. Function goodbye. Function goodbye is going to console.log goodbye. Now, I will call the say hello function, okay? Say hello function, like so. And say hello is receiving two arguments. The first one is going to be a name, a real name. When I'm calling my function, I'm passing the real data, right? And John. And as a callback function, I'm going to pass this function goodbye. To do so, I'm just passing the reference of that function, the name of that function, which is goodbye. Okay. Now, if we go to the console, like I am receiving that error, uncount reference error, seems like I have a syntax error here. Okay. Now we see that the John and goodbye here in the console. And the goodbye is coming from that callback function execution in the body of the say hello. And this is what is a callback. Okay. If this is a callback, what is a callback? Hell, let's imagine we are in McDonald's. Okay. And we will order a meal. And in the meal, we have a burger, we have the fries, we have the drink. Um, they will just throw a tray and they will cook the burger, but they won't notify you, right? Like they will they will prepare the fries and the drink, and after three of them are on the tray, you will get a notification, your order is ready notification. So there are like events happening in the background which they are depending, the common result is depending each other. Each one of those events can be represented as a callback function. What I mean by that, let's create a function order burger. order burger. And order burger is going to receive a callback as a parameter. And to demonstrate the some time is going to pass, we are using the set timeout function like that. And okay, so after 2 seconds, the set timeout is going to execute that function here, and we will get the burger is ready, and that callback is going to be executed. You can see that the order burger result is depending on this callback execution here. And we can go and create an order fries function, the similar, and then we can create another one, another function, order drink, and this will also going to have another callback. Callback like so. Now we will need to execute this event, the ordering the meal. How we are going to do that with the callback structure? Well, obviously, we will first call the order burger, and order burger is going to receive the order fries, and the order fries is going to receive that function with the order drink callback, and order drink is going to have that function which is notifying us your order is ready. um, this is bunch of nested callbacks to demonstrate the ordering a meal is depending on three separate but dependent dependent events happening together in some order. And you can understand how complicated it is. And this is only also three functions, and we might be having even bigger event, and this will cause a lot of callbacks, nested callbacks, like a pyramid, and very difficult to read, very difficult to understand. Okay. um, and JavaScript is full of this kind of events. How to fix this callback hell? Using promises. Using promises. I will write a new function and order order burger, and it's going to return a promise this time instead of creating a function with a callback. And now we will create another function called order fries, and it's also going to return a promise, and order drink, another promise. Because they are returning promises, then I can use the then chaining on them, and order burger, and then the burger is going to take then burger, and it's going to return the order fries, and that is going to return the order drink. And after I resolve the order drink, my order is ready. Look at this structure. It's a lot easier than reading this pyramid shape nested functions. Okay. And it will be even simpler to demonstrate that with the async await. As you might already know, async await is another way of resolving promises in JavaScript. And I can just create an async function, order food, and there we could just create with the await, we can execute each function because they are going to return a promise. We can use the await keyword in front of them and put everything inside of a try block to catch any possible errors and create that function. Then all I have to do is to execute the order food. Okay. And that's it. This is how callbacks work in JavaScript and callback hell, and how we can solve the callback hell. I hope that makes sense. If you like my tutorials, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.